This is CC Cycle 1, Week 3, Scripture Memory from Exodus chapter 20. This will actually be all of verse 3. It just says, do not have other gods besides me. So this, you're going to have kind of a O hand shape, kind of smushed, and you're going to do this motion right here. This is a sign for none. So you're going to do that while shaking your head. So do not have other gods. So you're going to do the sign for God, B hand shape. Other gods besides me. You're going to take this kind of thumbs up shape. It's like kind of like an A hand shape, but like this. And you're going to take it from vertical and turn it to the side like this. It's the sign for other. So it's going to say, do not have other gods besides me. Okay? It sounds like this.
Do not have other gods besides me. Do not make enough.
That's week 3.